Hi, my name is Ming. Today I will create a app is using create a app to-do list by using the MIT App Inventor. At first, I will show you how to put the label into the screen. So just drag to inside the screen. Next, I will put the text box inside the screen. After this, I will put the button. Next is list view. After is that picker, and the time picker. Later search for the storage category and file for the time TV. Okay. Next, I will customize the components. At first, I change the label name. I change to-do list. And I will change the width to the 100% scale to fill the screen. Okay, so we can fill the font size. I also to increase the font size. I set to 25. Next, I will change the alignment to the center. Okay, that's all for the label. Next, I will change the text box. So I change to 100%. And I will put the center. This one I change to, this is the color to change the text box. So I put the green color. Okay. Next, the button, next I edit the button to 100%. Change the background image, we just need to press the background image and then upload a file, a photo, to the computer and press OK. That's it. Next, go to the blog settings at this side, so and click it. So then at first we need to create a variable is like to create a task. So we need to add search for variable to add a task at here. This one is the list for the for the command and others for the operation. So next, when the button one click, we can call the date picker and the time picker. Date picker is used for to select the date, and time picker is used for the select the time. This one, add item to the list is we adding the step to the this list. So these are the list from the global task. These are the steps we do.
We join all this date, time, and everything we write in the text box into one sentence with join, so that it can appear in one times.
At first, we comment the task, and this one is text box is for the we write the anything else into the text box and display it. Next is the date. At first, we show the day, month, after is the year. Lastly, we show the time. Next is the procedure function. This one is the procedure function. TinyDB is used to store this command and the text box command and bring to the date and time and bring into the DB task. This one we label as DB task, which is a storage for to store in the global task. Next, set list view is show the everything else into the text box from the global task.
Hello, I'm Tam Jin Xian. Now I will talk about the screen, the coding of screen and for the list view. So for the screen, when initialized, it will do the set the robot task to call tinydb, which means that the variable will be stored into the tinydb1 in with the tag of db task, and if the value is not in the tag db task, it will be at the empty list which created, and it will set the list view to get the global task, which means that the list view will get the information from the variable of global task. And for the list view, after picking, which means that we press the blue line or the blue list in the phone, it will remove list item, which the list it get from the global task and with the index of list view, which means that we press at the list view, and this operation will be stored also into the tinydb1, so it call again the tinydb1 with the tag of db task, and the value will store to the global task so that it will be updated. Since it is related to the list view, so it will set also the list view element to get the global task again.
Hello, now I will demo the application of the to-do list which made out of the MIT App Inventor on the phone. Now here is the interface that after we customize it, we have added the background picture to it, and here for the to-do list, maybe we will want to study, press study and then submit. So for the launch date picker and time picker, it will pop out the time and the date. So after you set, you will see your task, the date you set and the time you set. So when you want to make this task disappear as after you finish this task, you just press it, so it will be disappear. So when you submit again, it will be same, or study tonight, set again the time and will also be same. So you will see the time is different as just now I set the time is goes by. So that's all. Thank you.